Create Wealth Bootcamp. Alright, let's have some fun and dive into the world of blockchain. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are powered by a technology called the blockchain. At its most basic, a blockchain is a list of transactions that anyone can view and verify. The Bitcoin blockchain, for example, contains a record of every time someone sent or received Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies and the blockchain technology that powers them make it possible to transfer value online, without the need for a middleman like a bank or credit card company. Picture this: a digital world where every transaction is recorded on a magical, unhackable digital ledger called the blockchain. It's like a giant, digital game of Jenga, where each block represents a piece of the puzzle. And just like in Jenga, you can't cheat or manipulate the game, because all the players are watching your every move. That's the beauty of blockchain technology. It's decentralized, transparent, and virtually impossible to hack. Think of it like a high-tech piggy bank, where all your coins and transactions are stored in a digital vault that only you can access. Except, the piggy bank is so secure that even the most skilled hackers can't break into it. Due to the cryptographic nature of these networks, payments via blockchain can be more secure than standard debit and credit card transactions. When making a Bitcoin payment, for instance, you don't need to provide any sensitive information. That means there is almost zero risk of your financial information being compromised or your identity being stolen. But that's not all. The blockchain has the potential to revolutionize so many other industries as well. From supply chain management to digital identity systems, the possibilities are endless. What are some advantages of blockchains? They're global, which means that cryptocurrencies can be sent across the planet quickly and cheaply. They increase privacy. Cryptocurrency payments don't require you to include your personal information, which protects you from being hacked or having your identity stolen. They're open, because every single transaction on cryptocurrency networks is published publicly in the form of the blockchain. Anyone can scrutinize them. That leaves no room for manipulation of transactions, changing the money supply, or adjusting the rules mid-game. The software that constitutes the core of these currencies is free and open source, so anyone can review the code. What's the main advantage blockchains have over the old financial system? Think about how much of your financial life takes place online, from shopping to investing, and how every single one of those transactions requires a bank or a credit card company or payment processor like PayPal in the middle of it. Blockchains allow for those transactions to happen without a middleman, and without the added costs and complexity that come with them. So, if you want to join the blockchain party, get ready to build, play, and win in this amazing, digital world. And don't worry, you won't need any cheat codes or hacks to succeed, just a little bit of blockchain magic.